Succulents and everything plants are all the rage right now. So let's make this terracotta colored recipe using CrystaLac's Color Boutique Pigments, which is perfect for your plant-themed tumblers. To start, we're going to mix 1 teaspoon Universal White and 4 teaspoons Extreme Protection or Brite Tone. Then add 5 drops number 2 red, 20 drops number 3 yellow, 10 drops number 6 brown, and 15 drops number 7 dark brown. Mix it really well, making sure you scrape the sides and the bottom of the container to totally incorporate everything together. I would mix for at least 60 to 90 seconds. Then you can let your paint sit for about 10 minutes, which will allow any air bubbles to rise to the surface and pop. For this color, I applied straight to my stainless steel cup as my base layer. I'm using CrystaLac's blush brushes, which allow me to load the paint into the brush and then distribute it around the cup. I found with these recipes that include the clear coat, I get the best results by starting in the middle of the cup and working my way out. So I start in the middle and work up, and then in the middle and work down. Once you get the cup covered, you want to leave it alone and let it turn for an hour and then let it dry for another 3 hours. So 4 hours total dry time before adding another layer. The color will dry about 2 shades darker than it appears when wet, and it will also self-level as it spins. Your first layer is going to appear very streaky because the paint is pretty translucent. But adding that clear coat to the paint is necessary in order to build the proper bonding components and balance out the pigments that we've added. Continue to add your layers, allowing 4 hours to dry in between each one, and remember, apply quickly and then let the paint do the hard work. If you want to darken your color, you can add a few more drops of number 7 brown to your mix, but you're going to want to add an extra teaspoon of clear coat for every 5 additional drops of pigment that you add, again to maintain that ratio of pigment to base. I had good coverage for a glitter base after 2 coats of paint and had perfect solid coverage with 3 layers. So here it is with just 3 layers of paint. I didn't have any terracotta planters at home, but I managed to sneak this picture using one of the neighbors, and I love how closely it matches. I can't wait to see the creations you guys come up with using this recipe. Let me know if you have any questions.